This review is of my cooking box, Chef per Passione, product of Italy, complete meal kit, fusilli pasta with zucchini pesto and pumpkin seeds. So it's got included stuff to make this whole thing. It's non-GMO, and this is what you get. There's a little bottle, or jar, I should say. There's the pesto jar, and you need a little bottle for olive oil, and then you get the pasta, the pumpkin seeds, and the sea salt crystals. And here is a trip to Italy, or whatever you want to call it, sustainable forestry certification. And is there anything else? Okay, well, nutrition facts. 1 cup of this has 23 grams of fat, of which 3 are saturated, no trans fats or cholesterol. 840 milligrams of sodium. Oh my gosh. 76 grams of carbs, of which 4 are dietary fiber, 2 are sugars that are not added, and 16 grams of protein. And wow, okay, I'm in shock right now. Here are the ingredients. Courgettes. Too much salt. They've got salt in the pesto, and then you've got sea salt crystals. Boy, oh boy, I am apprehensive now. Well, let's give it a try. Wow. That's gross. That's a huge amount of salt. All right, here's my recommendation. It says to put the sea salt crystals into the water after it comes to a boil. I'm going to tell you, don't use it at all. And if you do, you're going to have to soak the pasta afterward to get all the salt out of it, because this is ruined. I mean, it's gross. I mean, I'm really uncomfortable with this because of how salty it is. I want to like wash it all off and wow. Don't follow the recipe when it comes to the salt. Skip it entirely. There's salt in the pesto sauce anyways. So, based on this experience, I'm gonna say, I'm gonna give it a 1. Unless you want to cook it without the extra salt, which it might be enjoyable then. It's hard to say. I mean, since they ruined it. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.